Hey guys, cool. Hair's crazy. Paul and Ryan here, PA Outdoors couple. We are in Hickory Run State Park in Lake Harmony, Pennsylvania, off 80. Actually, we drove under 476 to get here, which is crazy. But we are at the Boulder field. So here we go. Let's check it out. Boom. There's some people over there. I don't want to film them, obviously, but and I'm going to try to not to sound like an obscene phone call with the breathing. So sorry, I do have lung problems.
So it seems maybe they just split up from freezing and thawing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, we're all the way at the bottom.
Okay. Well, there's a marker over here. Okay, we'll sweep you real quick. And then we'll get back to you. Look at that. Nice day out here, too. We're going to try to head that way. So, we'll see you when we get there. Here we go.
78.
The deep hole in that one. Now I can actually do this without showing too many people. There's only a few people here. We passed a bunch of a freight train of New Yorkers on the way out. So it's hard to see the scale of the depth of that hole. It was pretty good. I love it's like that new growth pine forest all around here, but it's pretty cool. We are heading that way to find there's a lone tree out here, but I think there's another one out that way, so we'll see you there. Cool shot of Ryan right there. Awesome. We're making progress, slowly but surely. That's what's behind us. That's what ahead of us. Here we go. Checkpoint. Tree's getting closer. We are way from the start, so how's it going?
It's trying.
Trying. Yeah, trying.
The balance is.
We're gonna keep on going. Checkpoint. Tree's over there. You can see it now. Pretty easy. Right there. We came from way over there. And we're still going.
Yep.
We're still doing it. Alright. If you at the right angle, it's like otherworldly, if you know what I mean. So pretty cool stuff. Alright. So we'll see you in a bit. Here we are. Tree checkpoint. Way the hell back there, checkpoint. Guy following us. Good times. Well, don't do this alone. I've done it alone. Luckily, I didn't hurt myself, but you don't want to get broken ankle or anything out here. Here we are at the tree. This one, last time I had it, had ribbons and bands all over it. It has a little bit of paint on it, nothing too crazy, but we did that. We just did that. And Saturday definitely proves the fact that you can do stuff. I know for some it's not much, but we both got injuries. We're definitely not as good as we used to be. So good. We did it. So we'll be back. Cheers. We have reached ground. We have reached ground. We have landed. Have a seat. That's good. We did it.
There's green, there's moss. We made it to land.
We landed, and then I've been in these woods before. They have a different feel to them. It's hard to describe. One, it's almost like I walked over there, and it's almost alpine to a certain extent feel to it. But there's also kind of some other feel. Well, a lot of people won't get that same feel, but it was pretty interesting. All right, here we go. Let's see what else we can find. Hi, Ryan. We're gonna try to walk.
Focus.
We're gonna try to get into the woods here and walk around a bit. We're essentially trailblazing. It's not really a trail back here. Got to get over a few things. Whew. There's one this way. Look at the sky though. Very pretty. Tough going. There's something right here. Down trees. Kind of like the ocean, you know, the big wobbly blue thing is to your left. We know the big pile of rocks is to our left. So we're just working around. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if I can get over here. Yeah, I could. Windy today up here. Lots of wind. Yeah. Trail busting. There are trails back here. Just some of these, I don't know what we're following, if you know what I mean. So we're just gonna keep on hanging to the left. There you go. We're going around the peak of the one side right now. Yep. Guess there's this, looks like a trail kind of that way. Back right down the side.
Let's see if we can get there without having to
Yep.
boulder again.
We'll see how. We'll be back. We're gonna catch our breath and see what the hell's going on. Cheers. There's the boulder field again. We're at the tip of it. The twisted trees right over there. But we seem, there's something that looks kind of like a path that way. But it does lead to more boulder field, so we're just gonna work our way back. We're having a good time. It's rough though.
It is very.
We're gonna get.
Not for the out of shapers.
Not for the, if you're in shape, this isn't bad. It just, we're not in shape. We're trying to get back into it, trying to get out, really share like hands-on stuff, you know, not just watching on YouTube, not just doing this, getting out there and doing stuff. And that's why we're trying to share it and hopefully inspire you guys to go and check things out too. So it's rough. I will never tell you hiking, walking, all this crap isn't rough, because it is. Even if we get good at it, it's still rough. So if you're huffing and puffing, don't feel bad. So are we. Anyway, we'll be back. Cheers.
Look. Ouch.
I don't know if you can see these. Look at that.
Holy shit.
Wowee.
Hurry up.
That is some hella spikes. Look at that. It's like deadly candy corn. That is nuts.
That's a heck of a vine.
That is too. Wow. But we're making it. We're trying to weasel our way through these twists and turns, and we're having a good time doing it. Cheers.
What's your name, Ben?
My deadly shoe of tying. We're gonna go back onto the. We got to the end of the trails that we could find. We're gonna go back onto the field. Ryan's hip is a little hurt, and my shoe's untied. So that's what our medical report is right now. So we'll see us in a little bit. Hopefully, not strewn over a rock.
We'll make it.
Cheers. Update. We walked a good bit of the boulder field again. We stumbled across this. This looks like actual trails. We tried to hit a few trails on the way back that went nowhere, right back to the field. Actuality, Ryan injured one of her hamstrings, correct? Yeah. And from a previous injury she had, so she's not in a good spot. So we're trying to get the easiest way back possible. I know she's a trooper. She would do the boulders if she needed to, because she's as tough as a coffin nail. But we're gonna try. Hopefully this looks promising. There are boulders, but it's more of a path. So we will meet you in the future. We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Found a little bit here. It was weird. It was like on a trail, but it was completely hollow underneath. It was like thud thud when you talk. It was weird. What the hell was on there? Here's a cool down pine with some nice big old rocks sticking out of it. We're in higher spirits now since we got off the. We don't have to dance on the rocks.
Yeah.
Hopefully her. Yeah. Hopefully her leg will start feeling better. I think I saw Marge. All right, looking for. Look at that. Big rocks into this. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, Marge is hollering for us.
Interesting.
I'm gonna watch my step while I record. Oh, Marge is coming. Look, when she's taking pictures of stuff, she's in a better mood. I can tell. It is a pretty place, but just be careful. I mean, if you do walk all the way to the end and get injured, you're gonna have to walk halfway at least until you can get into the area where you can start walking back to your vehicle on real ground, because Most of the paths that look like paths, they're all false, and they're covered in deadfall. So we had to do this, and we didn't want to do it, but we had to check to see if we could get some paths because she was injured, and we persevered. But if she was hurt, if she pulled the hamstring all the way or something like that, you'd have to go back and try to get help.
This would be hard to get out.
It would be. So I mean, this is reality check 101 right there. Beautiful place though. And we already saw some waterfalls and some nice streams on the way in here. There's a lake up here that looks really nice. So, Hickory Run, thumbs up. Boulder Field, thumbs up, but be careful. Be careful. Just be careful. Especially like, you know, Ryan, she has that previous injury with her ACL and her hamstring, so just be careful. Wow, what do you think overall though?
Definitely an experience, something I've never seen before.
Something you wanted to do and then you checked it off.
Here, done.
Done. Done. Done. Definitely not regret. That's good. Good times. Walked in, walked out, right?
Yep.
Walked in, walked out. Can't get better than that. Here we are. It was windy out there.
And sunny.
And sunny. So
sweaty.
We were freezing with wind that was helping us push us towards the tree. And then after that, the wind stopped, the sun came out, and we have layers on. So we are sweating our asses off. So, and it's a lot of hard work on those stones and stuff. So like I said, just be mindful, be careful. And if you have any previous injuries, maybe don't wander halfway.
Yeah, don't go all the way to the end.
Yeah. Sorry, I did push her a little bit too, maybe. So, anyway, this has been Paul and Ryan. The Boulder Field, Hickory Run State Park. Whoa! Hit the button. Cheers!